mankind willfully changing the global electromagnetic radiation environment has created what I expect will become known as the man-made evolution era. So over here, I am welcoming Dr. Vijay Kumar Salvia, Dean at International R&D Group and Leadership Technology and Management Group, India. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir. The Center of Excellence in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, or CETE, is organizing an all-India article writing competition, and CETE serves the worldwide academic communities and contributes to the progress and application of science by delivering superior scientific publications and scientific information solution providers that enable advancement in scientific research. So my first question is, as an advisory board member, what will you say about these kinds of activities important for electronics and telecommunication fraternity?
Yes. So, as an advisory board member, I would like to suggest that this kind of activities will be important for electronics and telecommunication fraternity in such a way, because if such type of competitions and such type of whatever the evaluation technique if we use for the electronics and telecommunication promotion, then the participants, students, faculties, and research scholars will have the good knowledge, and similarly they will either depth knowledge, because if we are reading something and without competition or without quizzing or without evaluation, we can't say that one has the good knowledge or one has the best knowledge. But whatever the knowledge participants have, it must be evaluated, and they know how we can use our knowledge for the best for the society and for the research and development. So that is important. As an advisory board member, I would like to say that such type of competition is very much useful, and successively it should be should be taken in a daily life in the future.
Yes. So what is the importance of this competition? If I talk about, at students level, so what is the importance of this competition?
The importance of competition is that if anyone publish a paper or anyone joins such type of competition, they will get the recognition. They will get these whatever what is in the era, what is going in the market, what is going in the total era. So they will know that yes, such type of students are coming, such type of research faculties are coming. What is my knowledge? What is others' knowledge? So they may know what is the current situations in the this electronics and telecommunication field. So this is the importance of the competition, and they will get the certification, they will get the awards, they will get the recognition. So it will be just like that. It will be useful, and also to more grow, to know, to calibrate themselves. Yes, I have this, and now I have to jump to this. So that's why this is the importance.
Yes. So how can students, academicians, and professionals take the advantage of CETE?
The students, academicians, and professionals can take the advantage of CET by joining such type of competitions. Similarly, CET should also arrange different types of activities like conferences, seminars, webinars, and how to publish the research papers, how to involve in such type of competitions. So we should successively plan an event to how to calibrate the students, how to calibrate the research academicians and research scholars, so that we should also plan and guidance guidance webinar, guidance seminar, and guidance classrooms for that, so that
Absolutely.
students and professional can take the advantage of CET.
Yes. So, what is the current requirement for students and professionals to go forward in this, electronics and telecommunication domain?
For that, the current requirement for the student professionals to go forward in electronics and telecommunication domain, they should know, they should have some general and the basic knowledge they must have. And if actually we have to explore the student, so the
Yes.
students and professional must know the whatever the themes we have, whatever the CET themes we have, like microwave or electronics or transducers, or similarly signal processing, whatever the domain area. So with respect to that domain area, the student professional must know the basic knowledge, and if they have the they must group themselves for this such type of research based CET atmosphere. And CET should also start such type of grouping activities with respect to the professionals and academicians. So by both way, it will be beneficial. And if they have some basic knowledge in the current requirement, then we have to group such type of academicians and students, whatever we want for CET, whatever our aim for CET, vision and mission for CET. So it is the bilateral process.
Yes. So, how research and research-based publications in the electronics and telecommunication domain can be improved, or we can say upgraded, using CETE-like platforms?
It can be for the publication in the electronics and telecommunication domain. The research-based activities can be enhanced by if we take the current situations, whatever the public demands and whatever the public wants. As you know that in after COVID, uh, we have so many we can say challenges. And similarly, in electronics domain, there is so much challenges we are facing. Challenges means new opportunities. It is not limitation or
Exactly,
restriction.
exactly.
So new opportunities now coming in electronics and telecommunication, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, automations, and we can say whatever the IT and telecommunications, robotics. These all are we can say the new generation of electronics and telecom. And the base is the electronics and telecom. So we have so much domain area in electronics and telecom and latest technology, and we must appreciate whatever the current requirements of the market, whatever the current challenges in the market. And so if we I have said that if we follow the seminars, webinars, and whatever the tuitions, coachings for the electronics and telecommunication domain, research based. Yes, this is the requirement. Just like we are talking with you, it is the requirement of this today. Is online speaking. It is a requirement because we can't we can't use face to face. So and similarly, there are so many developments requirements in such type of field, and there is so much factors, or we can say the value based technology we can increase. So these
Yes.
are the by these techniques we can improve CET, and we should take the knowledge of whatever the researchers, students, and academicians also. Yes, we have such type of ideas, we have such type of innovations, and you develop accordingly. So we have to pull out all the innovations and ideas from the rural areas also, from small scales area, from industries also. So with the collaboration of all this, we can improve the CET, and similarly the society will be improved by our CET.
Yes, yes. And as you have, talked about this, the students should go in the best direction, and students should do his or her best. So I think so that CETE will be the best platform for that, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, CET will be the best platform, and we have to improve. We have to make a CET platform with respect to the market-based, whatever the market required.
Okay.
And
So,
allied fields also, not electronics and telecom. Electronics and telecom is now interdisciplinary. Now it is related to civil also. It is now related to biology also. It is now related to the nanotechnology also. So everywhere the
absolutely,
electronics is used.
absolutely.
So
Yeah,
electronics and telecom is a wide field. In a dairy, in a animal husbandry also. So
exactly, exactly. So,
we have to
yeah,
improve such fields in a interdisciplinary manner. Then other fields will also improve, and CET will also improve.
yes. So, last but not the least, can you please give us your suggestions to improve this venture actually?
You can collaborate with our international research and development organization for successive plans. And with respect to the government, we can take the projects. Similarly, with respect to industries, national international associations, we have industrial associations, student. Similarly, university associations, we are connected. So through these. We can make a different types of successively event-based plans on a day, like today's water day, next is any environment day. Then in a water technology also, electronics and telecommunication use. In an environment also, there are so many instrument use, and research is involving. So different themes we can use, and we can collaborate with our organizations. Via our organizations, the CET can collaborate with the other organizations, and we will have the challenge, whatever the challenges in the market, whatever the challenges in the research, we will get all challenges and can work on CET, and we can develop fruitful products for the society. And whatever the CET objective with respect to publications, with respect to patents, with respect to research papers, with respect to the student improvement for the research in electronics and telecom, we will have all this field, and there will be a wide area for the CET.
Yeah. Uh, Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we will definitely keep everything in mind, which you have just told us. And but yes, uh, with all these things, we need your support as well. So thank you so much, and thanks for your kind words. Thanks a lot, sir. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, madam. Thanks to all of you. Welcome.